Hello everyone, welcome back. Before we start today's trading session, here are a few important things you should know. Our VIP members receive high-quality trading signals daily. We focus on proper risk management to help recover losses over time. Every trade is based on market analysis, not guesswork. Patience and discipline are the keys to becoming a successful trader. Always wait for the right setup instead of forcing trades. As you can see, this is my real trading account with a real balance. Now let's begin today's analysis. First, we'll select the super trend indicator. Then we'll choose the CAD-JPY currency pair. Now, according to the super trend signal, we're entering a sell trade on CAD-JPY. Now let me explain how the super trend indicator works. The super trend indicator helps identify the overall market trend. When the trend is bullish, it typically gives a buy signal. When the trend turns bearish, it indicates a sell opportunity. However, no indicator is 100% accurate. That's why you should never rely on a single indicator alone. Always combine it with market structure, price action, and proper risk management before entering a trade. One of the biggest advantages of the super trend indicator is that it helps traders avoid unnecessary entries and stay aligned with the current market trend. Great! As you can see, our first trade has closed in profit. This is how we follow our strategy and work toward recovering losses with disciplined trading. Now let's move to another currency pair, EUR-CHF. This time the super trend indicator gives us a sell signal, so we'll place a buy trade. Excellent! This trade has also ended in profit. If you'd like to receive our free trading signals, join our Telegram channel. The Telegram link is available in the description below.